In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add sub-goal on OBS Studio. If you want to display a subscriber goal overlay on your stream, OBS makes the process very straightforward once you know where to look. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact setup so you can add the overlay cleanly and make sure it appears inside your scene. Start by opening your OBS Studio app. Make sure you're in the scene where you want the sub-goal to appear, because any source you add will be placed into the currently selected scene. If needed, take a quick second to confirm you're working in the right one before moving on. Next, go to the Sources panel. This is the section in OBS where you manage everything visible on your stream, including cameras, images, text, alerts, and browser-based overlays. Since a sub-goal is typically added as a web overlay, this is where we need to create it. In the Sources area, click the plus icon. This opens the list of source types you can add to your scene. From that list, click on Browser. A browser source is what allows OBS to load web content directly into your stream layout, which is exactly what most sub-goal overlays use. After selecting Browser, click OK. This confirms that you want to create the new browser source and takes you to the settings window where you can configure it. Now click on the URL field. This is the key part of the setup, because this is where OBS will load the overlay from. You'll want to paste or enter the overlay URL provided by the service you're using for your sub-goal. Make sure the link is complete and accurate, since even a small mistake can prevent the overlay from loading properly. Once the overlay URL has been entered, click OK. OBS will then add the browser source to your scene and load the sub-goal overlay onto the canvas. At this point, you can position it wherever you want it to appear on screen by clicking and dragging it in the preview. If the size doesn't look right, you can also resize it directly in the preview to better fit your layout. That's all it takes to add a sub-goal on OBS Studio. If the overlay doesn't appear right away, give it a moment to load and double check that the URL was entered correctly. With that done, your stream will now have a sub-goal overlay ready to display in your scene.